Okay, so welcome to my channel. So as you know, in this channel I teach you about Python and I teach you about Django. Stay tuned and enjoy. Alagalaba. Okay, so in the tutorial today I'm going to be explaining to you or showing you the difference between pre-save and post-save signal and when to use each. So as you can see, there is this project I'm working on. So this is a cryptocurrency trading website. So on this we are having a little challenge on my admin. So this is my admin. When we place a trade, we select the user, we select the trade pair, then the wallet, let me say is before then let me refresh this page so you see. So this is user 1 USDT wallet. You have 358 USDT. So I will select user 1 Tether wallet, so which is USDT wallet, user 1 USDT wallet. This is it here. So how much is it going to trade? Let's say 23. So what is the time frame? So let's say it's 1 minute. We can still make it 2 minutes. Then the strike rate, so let's say is I buy. So although this is the admin, that's why we are seeing most of these settings. If it's from the front end, you won't see them. So but this is from the admin, that's why. So let's save the trade. So now we have saved the trade. The challenge I'm having right now is that I'm supposed to be having expected payouts, so which is it will be calculated based on the amount entered, but I'm not seeing my expected payout. So if I should go to my code on my model, I have expected payouts, which is this. So expected payouts, I make it blank true, not true, but on my I give it a default value of 0.00. so let me zoom in more. So I give it a default value, look at it here, default value of 0.00. So that's why you are seeing 0.00 here, but this is not what I'm expecting, because on my signal I wrote a signal that what the signal does is this. So we have this random percentage decimal, like this, just converting this output to decimal. So we have this random keyword, random method we import here. So it pick a random number between 10 to 90 and divide it by 100 to return the percentage. So and here then set the expected payout, which is instant dot expected payout equals to instant dot amount traded times random percentage. So this is just a basic formula to get the expected payout. So as you can see, this is not working, but on this end I have instant dot wallet dot available balance minus equals to instant dot amount traded. Like I'm deducting the amount traded, which is this part, from the user wallet. So if we should go, you remember this trade was done on user 1 USDT wallet. If I should come to the wallet, we notice you have 358 before, and you notice how much it used to trade, 23. So this 23 have been deducted from this amount, 358. So if I should refresh here, so you notice it has been deducted from it. So this is 335 now. So it has been deducted for me because it used that money to trade. But the challenge I'm having right now is that I'm supposed to be having the expected payouts here. but I'm not having it. And why am I not having it? I'm using a pre-save, okay, should I put it this way? I'm using a post-save signal on where I'm supposed to be using a pre-save signal. So that now brings us to the main difference, or when to use which. So this is my advice on it. When you are trying to make a change on the same model, so assuming like we have this trade model here, so you are trying to make a change on this same trade model, you should use a pre-save signal. But if you are making a change on another model as a result of a change on one model, you use a post-save signal. This is what I mean. If I should come back to my signal.py, you notice here I use pre-save signal because why? Here I said instant.trade outcome equals to this, instant.end time is this. So I added the, as in I was able to calculate end time from when the trade was taken, which is this start time. So because why? I'm using pre-save signal here because the changes will be dealing on the model itself. But here I'm also doing that same thing. This change is affecting the same model, meanwhile I'm putting it in post-save signal. So to solve this issue, I will just grab this line of code, remove it from here, and put it here. So I will put it to my post-save, as into my pre-save signal. So this is what I'm going to be having. So if you notice, normally I showed you this wallet balance. It's working, which is meaning this signal part that is deducting the amount traded from the user wallet is actually working. So we have instant.wallet.available balance minus equals to instant.amount traded. So then instant.wallet.save. So we call the save method on that other model, which is the wallet model. So we have another model called wallet. So but on the pre-save signal, we are making the changes on the same model. So and we don't need to run, or we don't need to write .save again, since this will be running before the object is being saved. So that is the key. So the main key is this. So okay, let's see if this problem is solved. So I'll press Ctrl S. So I'll come back here. You notice the issue I'm having is this expected payout is showing as 0. That is the issue I'm having, not even the other this thing. So let me place another trade now, and I will select the user 1. So let me look the wallet. So let me assume I want to do it on the repo wallet, on the SROP repo wallet, user 1 SROP wallet. So I will come here, I will say the wallet is user 1 repo wallet. So amount I want to put, let me put 8 SROP. So I can leave the duration as 1 minute. So I can set here maybe to ISL. Maybe here I can sell. Then I'll place the trade. So when I place the trade, you notice the expected payout is 1.04. That means 1.04 will be added to this amount traded. That is if the after the end time of the trade, the user wins. So this amount will be added to his amount. So I believe you understand what I'm trying to share here. The main key is this: the difference between post-save and pre-save signal is that you use post-save signal after, as well, let me put it this way, post-save signal is when you want to do something after an object is saved or updated. On the other hand, pre-save signal is if you want to do something before the object is saved. So these are the two signals. Although there is a place of custom signals where you write your own signal. So but I'm just talking about post-save and pre-save. So and when do you use both? You use pre-save signal on if you are making change on that same object, but you use post-save signal when you want to make change on another object. So this is the main difference. So if you have any question, you can ask in the comment section below. Thank you very much.